Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is March 5th. We do have kind of a mixed trade overnight. We've seen the markets flop back and forth of unchanged for corn, beans, and wheat. But overall, still a couple things to focus on. South American weather down in Argentina, still looking at more of a drier bias. There is some rain in the 6 to 10 day forecast, but it seems that there's always rain in the 6 to 10 day forecast, but it never really materializes. So will we see this happen? Will it not? As of right now, though, that is still more of a supportive factor for the beans. We'll see if that does continue. Other than that, we do have a USDA supply and demand report out on Thursday. So we'll get another look at carryout numbers. Some of the expectations will be out, I believe, later on this afternoon, so I'll have those for you tomorrow. But looking at things, you're still going to see big numbers. 530 million carryout right now for beans. We've got between 2.3 to 2.4 billion carryout for corn. Still a lot of corn out there. And so these are numbers that we're going to need to work with. Wheat, still sitting at about a billion carryout for wheat. These are big numbers. So even though we've got the situation in Argentina, we need to see demand pick up in order to really sustain the levels that we're currently at. So be careful as we go forward. You also have a lot of nervousness around these tariffs this week that we may see, aluminum and steel, and what kind of relationship damage will we get from Canada as well as Mexico. We don't know, and I think that's where we get a lot of nervousness around these markets at this point, and we'll see what kind of reaction we get. The Dow right now, stock futures down 140 points. S&P slipping back some here today as well. So you've got some nervousness surrounding the financial markets. That may end up inviting maybe some buying into commodities again. But you also have the dollar that's going to be in, there will be impact and certainly some reaction to potentially a rate hike in the middle of the month. So that should be friendly for the dollar, which could have a negative spin on commodities too if that does happen. But we'll see how this works out. A lot of information. We did not get any further sales here at 8 a.m. this morning. So USDA did not announce any sales or cancellations this morning. So demand is the key here at this point. Even though we've got some of this fundamental bias in Argentina that is supportive right now, we're not really getting any new demand from that. So we'll see where that goes. I also want to bring up our survey. Okay, we've got just this week for our acreage survey. We need your help out there. Get online. Give us your numbers and what you're looking at planting. We need your help in order to give you guys the best information we can here. On the 14th is when we'll release that on a live webinar. So get involved with that. We greatly appreciate your help there as well. You can reach us here 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.